as we kick this life's ass, laughing at the mischief. We too busy talking about dicks and twit pics to figure out who is more witless. And apathy sets in when we can't hear. No heroes, no wins, so we can't cheer. I'm feeling dumb enough to put a fucking chant here. Reinvent the wheel, no chance, so we can't steer. Top down like my whip was nice. I'm done faking being positive, I whip my life. Too cold for the heat tonight. I'm a maverick, I shine like a Christmas light. But at the same time, I'm LeBron James game. I ain't even playing and you know you can't trade him. Two-tone jersey, black paisley stain. As I stand up, fist cocked, I ain't even aiming. I ain't even thinking, I ain't even bring my brain. I'm too gone for a status change. Tip up that new cup, chug that new poison. No frill, straight talk, fuck that coy shit. I am killing robots, you are killing pop songs. I recycle chords, then I hit them with the bop gun. Yeah, but keep it happy on the chorus part, cause you never know where the fucking tourists are.
Let's go heal, the scars gonna look okay. I'm gonna fix up shop, go hard like all day. And when we get that win, we gon' toast to the old days. And they can talk that shit, but we still gon' be okay. We gon' be okay.
To the wall like a middle school dance. I handle these songs like a Liverpool band. Hey Ringo, the drums is lovely, but a bit too loud, now the mix is ugly. EQ them and grab the final, second straight to the place where they press the vinyl. On the way back by Papayas from Michael Caine's wife and the Queen's vagina. No response, well you best keep trying. These people are important, they're short on timing. Spot T, won't we, while we sit here. Dumb subordinates never use fifth gear. It gets you there much faster, now doesn't it? Stupid Jaguar shouldn't have a governor. No problem, your timing was lovely. The birds just left, just a toss of another one.
My guts gon' heal, the scars gon' look okay. I'm gonna fix up shop, go hard like all day. And when we get that win, we gon' toast to the old days. And they can talk that shit, but we still gon' be okay. We gon' be okay.
We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. At least I hope so. We gon' be okay. 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 At least I hope so. We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. We gon' be okay. Gon' be okay. At least I hope so.
My guts gon' heal and the scars gon' look okay. I'm gonna fix up shop, go hard like all day. And when we get that win, we gon' toast to the old days. And they can talk that shit, but we still gon' be okay. We gon' be okay.
Part ways with old feelings, no ceilings, blue skies where my eyes go. Blue is when my lady's eyes do they little side roll. No rhinestones, we diamonds. Even though they price fixed, we still sip upon the beers until we hit the light switch. Priceless and it better be, cause I ain't got the dough like I'm gluten free. No celiacs cause I love the wheat. I'll pepper farm your whole pedigree. I bring the substance and bread is scrumptious, and when we get that we'll blast the trumpets. Go dumb and just smash the pumpkins and red ball gang like we apple dumpling. Fuck the compass, we take the high roads, right route even if we drive slow. We'll get there in time with the scenic route, beat 'em out, mama pops out, no Costco. Gotta shop though, we gotta eat even if they're gonna cheat, selling us some cheap nachos. So we grow for a minute, stomach that spinach. Hot pie, adios, negro.
Growing up for a minute, but getting down in life for the business. But it's around, so we take that, shake that into whatever can make us free while we living, so we never regret it. We growing up for a minute, but getting down in life for the business. But it's around, so we take that, shake that into whatever can make us free while we living, so we never regret it.
1 in 10 is sitting pretty in my rear view. I'm on 11, same place where my volume sits. He's so irreverent at the party, eating deviled eggs, staring into outer space. I drank enough for 3 of us. Thank you for the lemonade, I'll mix it with my Jazza John. Even though I'm rather gone, in a minute I'll be ruined like Babylon. Spinal Tap references, mocking other sentences. Take a breath before you yell, damn you got a temper kid. Behind closed doors like a motherfucking exorcist. pulling demons out of people, fiending for some better shit. Throw away the soapbox, pocketbook the rhetoric, cough it up some true shit, then see who the debtor is. Come on.